Let's take a look at Catering Plus. Now we know that catering was hit really hard throughout the pandemic, but it's roaring back to life. In fact, average order values are higher than ever, $350 per order. We want to help you be able to capture that revenue stream. The great part about Catering Plus is it's a direct ordering channel connected to the rest of your Olo solution, which means it sits alongside your mealtime, your drive-through, your dine-in, and all of the other channels that you use Olo for. This allows you to take control of the order and all of the data. One of the things I'm really excited about with Catering Plus is house accounts. This allows you to extend that line of credit out to customers that order catering from you on a regular basis, really enhancing that relationship and order experience with them. With catering orders, they tend to be high margin, so coupled with Olo Pay, that's going to allow you to reduce fraud and increase authorization rates for these orders. And of course, you're taking advantage of the fact that Olo is integrated into all of your different other systems. Let's go take a look. As you can see on the screen here, we have our Buffy specific catering website. So we're going to select our pickup mode, schedule it for the time we want, choose the location. Now, as you can see, completely the same experience as you would expect as if you were creating a mealtime order or just ordering as an individual, and then we hit place order. Okay, and as we mentioned, one of the most important parts of our Catering Plus solution is the ability to do house accounts. Let's take a look at what that looks like in the Olo dashboard. Head down to the catering section, into house accounts, and let's go and create a new house account. So we're going to enter all of the normal details you would expect here, the name of the customer, the ID, the terms that they have, and remember this is the ability to extend that line of credit to your customers as well. Put in the billing information, and then our primary billing contact. Now, of course, with a house account, this might be open to multiple different people that are going to be ordering from you from that same account. So not only do we want some billing contacts in there, but we also want some customers, some authorized customers that are able to order using this house account. So we're going to enter John and Jane here. We're going to put in their information. And of course, this gets checked when that order is placed. And there we go, hit create. And that's our house account completed. Of course, the great thing about house accounts is you've probably got a bunch of them already. So if you want to import using a CSV file, we have the ability to do that. It's really easy to be able to go and search for them, activate them, deactivate them, and manage all of these house accounts all in one place. So with the account now entered, one of the most common ways that someone might place a catering order is probably via your switchboard. They're going to call up and ask to place that order. So let's take a look at what that looks like. On the Olo dashboard menu, we're going to head down to switchboard, starting the phone call first of all by searching for that customer. We're going to use the phone number to find them. And here we go. Here's John, who's calling us, creating a new order for the Olo Catering team. Okay, so once that order is placed as a restaurant operator, I can now go into the dashboard and check out that order and make sure it all looks correct. From the order summary page, we've also got the option to send this quote to the customer should it need any further approval. If you're a user of our Expo solution, somebody in your front of house can always check on the status of that order as well. So if we take a look on the left-hand side there, we can see these are marked as large orders, so that allows us to prepare for that accordingly. I can scroll through, see all of the details, and most importantly, see that it's been paid for.